Welcome to Mystic Dragonfly Garden. Today is the day after my adventure to the box store where my phone died and I could not finish the video. So I wanted to share with you my treasures that I found. Now, in the first video, I showed you a shelf of pots that I thought might be on clearance, and they absolutely were. Unfortunately, not the one that I thought was really neat, the trough. That is going to be one of this year's items, and so I've got to put that one on my wish list because even on clearance it would have been a little pricey. But the pots that were 50% off, I picked up 3 of those pedestal black pots, and let me show you. These were some of the pedestal pots. They're the plastic 2-piece pot, so the pedestal on the bottom comes separate from the one on the top, so it's easier to store, easier to pick up and put in your buggy. And I was able to pick these up for $8 a piece. They are a pretty big pot. Of course, you can see it's kind of dirty because it was on clearance, of course, but that is probably, I'm gonna guess, an 18-inch wide pot, and probably about 18 inches deep. I did not get out my measuring tape to see, but I picked up 3 of them. And what was fun, and what I was hoping to show you when my phone died, was that I walked past the aisle that had another large shelf of pots, and there was a pot sitting in the trash can, and I thought, why is it sitting in the trash can? What is wrong with this pot? So I picked it up and was looking at it, and the sales clerk came by and he said, "Oh, that's damaged. You can have it if you want." Yes, please. So let me show you my free pot that I got while at the box store yesterday. So the sales clerk wrote me a note so that they would not charge me for it and would not accuse me of stealing while I walked out with this pot. Thank you, Josh. Here is the pot. So, they had started to use it as trash. I guess I got the trash too. Let's take that stuff out. But if you can see, here is where it was damaged. Around the feet, you can see where it is cracked. And if I turn it over, you can see where these feet have cracked. So they were throwing this perfectly good pot, really, away. Now, I don't care that the feet are cracked. That is just a little more drainage, and especially if I use it in the garden, it's not going to matter anyway that the feet are cracked. So, woohoo, free pot. So that was my clearance finds at the box store yesterday. I absolutely love shopping clearance. I have to actually make myself not go to the box store and check out the clearance racks to save myself money. I will go over the 2 houseplants that I got in the next video, part 3 of my adventure to the box store. For the love of dirt, get outside, enjoy what nature has to offer. Until next time.